and which is also correct. And your laptop, yes, your laptop also, the area of your laptop, you will measure it in less than 1 meter square. And what can else be? A small toy. A small toy is a three-dimensional thing, and you can write paper, or page you can also write. Pen or pencil, yes. And a capacity of less than 1 liter. What three things can have? Yes, very good, Muhammad Hameda. Small water bottle. This is page number 62. And Anas, no, a small juice bottle. Yes, very good. Juice bottle. And your syrup of your medicines. Milk carton. Yes, very good. Muhammad Hamida and Umar Safwan, very good. And Parsi is volume of less than 1 meter cube. Now you can talk about the toys. Yes. Now you can talk about the toy car. You can see toy car and pen also. Yes, very good. Pencil also. Yes, very good. Ahmad Ashraf. Remote. Yes, very good. Okay, I will write remote here. My mouth. Yes, you can also measure it, the volume of your mouth, and it is getting bigger, mashallah. Yes, also chair. Okay, so you can write so many things. So you must have opened your books, and if not, you can see the screen also. Okay, and yes, if you want to see the previous questions, I will upload it, inshallah. These questions I will upload. You can then see every questions. Okay, because we don't have time to show you the previous questions. Okay, very good, Umar Safwan. And Umar Safwan is giving the answer of question number 9. Okay, so here this question is very good, Ahmad Ashraf. But check your answer again. I will tell you. Yes, now you are correct. Yes. I walk to the shops, which is a journey of 3.2 kilometer. Then I walk to my friend's house, which is 900 meter from the shops. How many kilometers have I walked altogether? Okay. So in this questions, you have to see that what is the statement that the journey is start from journey. I walk to the shop. From where, I don't know. They did not mention. So the journey, first journey is that he has covered is 9.2 kilometer. The journey, you can write the journey to the shop is 3.2 kilometer. Okay. And then I walk to my friend's house, which is 900 meter from the shop. So we will write the journey from shop to friend's house. So that is 900 meter. Okay. How many kilometers have I walked altogether? So here is the point you need to keep it in mind, that you have to give your answers in kilometers. Okay. you have to give your answer in kilometer, but this value is in kilometer and this value is in meter. Yes, this value is in meter. So you need to change this value into kilometer first, then you can write it. So 900 meter can be changed into kilometers. So can you tell me, boys, how many kilometers will be in 900 meter? How you can find it? Okay, Ahmad Ashraf, I am asking for how many kilometers? Very good, Ahmad, very good. Yes, very good. That is the formula that you have to divide with something. Musab, you have to divide because you are converting meters into kilometers. You are changing smaller units to bigger units, so you have to divide. So 900 divided by 1000, and that will be 0.9 kilometers. Okay, Makram, 0.9. So as you know that I will explain this to you. 1 kilometer, this is the conversion. 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. That is the conversion we studied. But what about 1 meter? So 1 meter will be equal to 1 over 100. So you will divide both sides with 1000. So it will be 1 over 1000 kilometer, and that will be 0.001. So any value, if I ask you that change 9 meters into kilometers, you will divide 9 with 1000. And if you are having 900, then you will divide 900 with 1000. Okay, so these are the points you get confused. So this is 0.9 kilometers. So total journey, I have to see that what is the total journey. So the total journey will be, now you will just add these two values. So total journey in kilometers, and that will be 3.2 plus 0.9, and that will be 4.1 kilometer. Okay. Yes, Ahmad, here is a button, but I don't want to erase this exercise 4B and page number, because the latecomers, they will start asking what is the page, what is the page. So I am leaving it for them. So this is question number 9 we have done. And now question number 10. Question number 10 is, sculptor carves a figure from a 4 kilogram piece of stone. The finished figure has a mass of 2.3 kilogram. How many grams of stones were removed? Okay, so here you can see that this is the picture of a sculptor. He is making some carving on this stone, and he is removing some part of this stone. So at the start, this stone was 4 kilogram, but when he finished the figure, when he measured it, it was 2.3 kilogram. So you have to find that. Very good, Ahmad Ashraf and Umar Safwan. But you have to change your answer in grams. Umar Safwan, yes, because it was asked that how many grams of stone were removed. So you will write the mass of stone before sculptor OR. This is OR. So that is 4 kg. And the mass of stone after sculpting, that is 2.3 kg. So the total mass, the mass which is removed, so you will now subtract these two values, 4 minus 2.3, and the answer is you can use the calculator. 4 minus 2.3, 1.7. This will be 1.7. 1.7 in kilograms. But you have to change it into grams. Yes, Mahmoud, you have to change it into grams because the question is that how many grams of stone were removed. So you have to change this value into grams. So how you will change kilograms into grams? Can you answer, boys? Very good, Ahmed Ashraf. Why 1 year? Why he took 1 year? Umar Safan, 1.7 change kilogram into grams. It's too many grams. No, too many. But he will finish it within hours. He is just removing it. He is using these hammers and this. Yes, yes. We have just calculated grams, and that is 1.7 kilogram. And Makaram, no, that is not correct. You have to divide, not divide, not divide. You have to multiply it with 1000. Yes, Umar Safan and Mahmood, correct. So you have to change kilogram. When you change kilogram into grams, we studied yesterday that you have to multiply it with 1000. Because 1 kilogram has 1000 grams, and I explained that kilo means 1000. So if you will remove kilo, you can add 1000. Okay. And so that will be 1700. Yes, very good. 1700 grams. Okay. And who is also answering? Rawad? Okay, yes, Rawad and Muhammad Zaid. Rawad, I did not see your answer. Okay, yes, Mahmoud Hassan, yes, very good, correct answer. So that is 1700 grams. You will write. Okay, now next question is the distance around a running track is 420 meters. If Marpati runs around the track 6 times, how many kilometers has she run in total? Okay, so you need to understand this question that there is a running track and running track is like this, as you know, and this running track is 420 meter, means that once you start running from this point and you cover all this distance and you will cover 420 meters. This all of this running track is 420 meters, sorry. This will be meters, but this girl Marpati, she has covered it 6 times. Okay, so once she has covered, then 2 times, then 3 times. So you will multiply it with 6 times, and then you will find the answer. The answer of question 10 is 2.72. No, question 11. We are doing question number 11. Umar Safwan. Yes. Okay, I will check it, Umar. Okay, very good, Rawad. Correct answer. But you have to change it into kilometers also. Musab, very good. So the distance around the running track is, okay, Rawad, just wait. Your answer is correct in meters, but you have to change it into kilometers. Makram, yeah, just wait. Okay, so distance is to 420 meters. And the distance which is covered by or run by Marpati, that will be 420 multiplied by 6. So you will multiply 420 with 6, 2520. Okay, 2520, and that will be in meters, because here you select the meters and you are multiplying it with 6, so your answer will be in meter, but you should change it into kilometers. So what you will do, very good, Umar Safwan and Mahmood, you have to change meters into kilometers. Yes, very good, Ahmad Ashraf, correct. So how you change meters into kilometers? 1 meter has how many kilometers? First you need to see that 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is 1000 kilometers. So 1000 meter. Meter is a smaller unit. So if you want to change meters to kilometer, you will have to divide it with 1000. Yes, very good, Mahmood Hassan. Okay, just wait, Anas. Here you can see the answer of question number 10 also. So here we will write 2520 divided by 1000, and the answer will be 2.52 kilometers. 4B2, no, this is not the grade. 4B is actually your exercise and 2 is the your section. Yes, your section, because I am also giving it to 7.1, section 7.1. So I am using both of, because I usually forget that where did I finish on 7.2 and where did I finish at 7.1. No, it is not grade. That is exercise name. Okay, boys, so this is the end of this exercise. We have finished our exercise 4B, and now we are going to start for 4C, and then our course will be finished, and inshallah we will start revisions. Now EFG is not included in this semester. We will inshallah start it on next semester, inshallah. Okay, boys, so I think that you have written all these exercises, all these questions. Now we are going to exercise 4C, and this is exercise 4C, and this is about units of area, volume, and capacity. Okay, and that is page number 63. Boys, page number 63. Can you go to exercise 2? Just wait, Musab. Now I will explain this. So for area, first unit that you can use is centimeter squares. Okay, centimeter squares are used, and if you will draw the centimeter square, it will be like this one: 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter. Okay, so that is the area. Area is the uh, thing that is covered by something. So here you can see that there is a box. This is a square box, and it is covering some area in your paper. So you can measure it in centimeters. In also you can measure it in square meters. If that is very small area like this one. Okay, and for larger areas, square meters or square kilometers are used. So for larger areas, square meters or square kilometers are used. A square meter is about the size of a half of a door. So as you can see that this is the picture of a door, and this is about a square meter. This is about a square meter. Its area is about square meter. And if you want to change square meter into centimeter square, so you will see that this is a different conversion you will see, because 1 meter has 100 centimeters, 100 centimeters. But now it is square, as you can see here. It means that there are 2 meters here. 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter, they are being multiplied. So you will also multiply the centimeters if you want to change. So you will multiply the centimeters 2 times. 100 multiplied by 100. 100 centimeters multiplied by 100 centimeters. So you can see it here that once you change meter square into centimeter square, then you will have to multiply 102 times. That is the point you need to keep it in mind. Okay. Now, if you will multiply it 100 and multiplied by 100, that will be 10,000 centimeters square. Because in area, the values are further increased. The values are further increased. Okay. So this is about the areas in which we use square of a value. And you can see that the units are also in square. Square is the power 2. You know it. You have already studied it, that square is the power 2. And here we discuss all about the area. Once we will discuss about area, its unit will be in square. Okay. Here you will see that it is kilometer square. This is meter square. And this is millimeter square and centimeter square also. Now we will discuss about the volume. Volume is a different thing in which you multiply any value 3 times. So for volume, we use centimeters cubed. Centimeters cubed. And here you can see that now this picture which we draw in plane, now it is a 3-dimensional plane. This is a cube. This was a square and this is a cube. And cube is a 3-dimensional figure. You cannot draw it on the paper, but if you want to draw it, you would draw it in this way. This is 1 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Each of its side is 1 centimeter. So once you will find its volume, you will multiply these 3 values, its width, its length, and its height. These three values you will multiply and you will get its volume. Okay, so in this figure all of these values are same: 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So you will multiply. If you want to change this centimeter into millimeters, we use millimeters. So 1 centimeter cube, as you can see now, it is cube. So 1 centimeter cube, 1 centimeter has 10 millimeter. So we will multiply 10 millimeter 3 times. Okay, that is the point you need to understand, that 1 centimeter has 10 millimeter, but there are 3 centimeters you need to change in millimeters. There are 3 meters. You have to change this also in millimeters. It will be 10 millimeter. And that value it will be also in, if you will change, it will be also 10 millimeter. And this value will be also in millimeters, 10 millimeters. So if you will change these values into millimeters, you will multiply these all three values with each other, 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, and that will give you the answer in millimeter cube. Okay, so now you can see that 1 centimeter cube is 1000 millimeter cube. And for larger volumes, we use meters cubed or even kilometers cubed. So this is 1 meter cube. You want to change it into centimeter. 1 meter has 100 centimeters. So you will change it with, you will multiply it with 3 times. 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100, and then you will get 1 million centimeter cube. That is 1 million almost, yes. 1 million centimeter cube. So in 1 meter cube, there are 1 million centimeter cube. And what if 2 meter? Very good question. That then you will multiply that value with 1 million. That is your conversion we are discussing here. Yes, if there are 2 meter cube and you want to change it into centimeter cube, you will multiply 2 with this value, 1 million, 1,000. Okay, but the power of 10 you don't understand. So it will be to, yes, scientific notation you will not understand right now. So it will be 2 million centimeter cube. Okay, if you want to change it into centimeter cube, meter cube, you will change. Okay, yes, we will use it. We will see that what we will have to do. Now next is capacity. Okay, so capacity means that how much you can fill this jug with, how much water you can fill this jug. That is the capacity of this jug. Okay, and you can see that it is a measuring jug and it is written on the scales on it. And if you will fill it, usually you fill it with liquid, and the capacity of a liquid is measured in liters. For capacity, the liter is used. A measuring jug has a capacity of about 1 liter. And the milliliter is used for smaller capacities. Yes, Muhammad Zaid, yes, you are also correct. Now, a teaspoon has a capacity of about 5 milliliters. And not also 1 milliliter is 1 centimeter cube. Okay, now these are the exercise. Right.